This is a company logo. This logo is an image file. I want to convert this image file to an AutoCAD drawing file. Now just Google JPEG to DXF converter. Now click on the first site which is shown, select the image file of the logo and click on Convert. Now you have to wait for a few seconds for the conversion to get over. Now the conversion is done. Click on Download to download the DXF file and double-click to open the DXF file in AutoCAD. Now double-tap the scroll wheel of the mouse to give a zoom extents. Now you can see that your image file is converted as a vector file. Now click on the Application button and Save As, and you can save it as a drawing file. Hope you liked this simple procedure. Please hit the like button of this video if you liked it. Until I catch you with another informative video on CAD, bye bye and take care. Thank you so much for your time.